You're not gonna believe what I just see. There's a snake here, look. Good morning internet, it is 7:15 in the morning and welcome back to the channel. I'm in a small town called Managua on the Bolivian countryside and I'm just having my breakfast now. The breakfast today consists of crackers with jam and a tea, but not just any tea. Here in Bolivia they even have coca tea, which comes in regular tea bags, see? But it's definitely coca leaves, see, from Windsor. So let's see if that will give me a little bit of a kick. Because I got up at 6 this morning because the door closes from the inside. So I was here alone in the hostel and it closed from the inside. But Auntie, who was going to give me this breakfast last night, she said she would be here at 6 in the morning. That she would be knocking on the door and that I would have to open the door. So I put the alarm at 5 to 6 and then waited, but then she only rocked up like 45 minutes later. But so I've been up since 6. No shower for me today, unfortunately. Yeah, the shower is in the toilet and it's what we call a suicide shower. I can show it to you. See, it's one of these. So the heat is supposed to come via these wires and then it's supposed to heat up the water there. So I was already doubting like, oh, am I gonna try it or not? They can be quite dangerous. There have been people that get kind of like electrocuted on these things. But it's not even working anyway, so I didn't really have a choice. So no shower today for me, but okay. Survive. So first I'm gonna finish this breakfast and then I'll show you on the map where I'm gonna go today. Okay, where am I? This is Bolivia. I am now kind of here just sort of south of Sucre in this valley in a town called Managua. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a different way out of the valley. So basically I will end up riding like kind of like a circle here. And then I'm going to follow this road probably until this area, somewhere over here. So then today's ride is again about 200 kilometers. And by riding in this direction, I'm also moving away from the high mountains, from the Altiplano, which is this area where I've been riding. And I'm moving more to lower grounds and also more towards the jungle. So that's why it's also starting to getting more green over here. I've reached another village. They're growing some corn here. It's a little bit washed out over here. But hey, if that car can pass, I should definitely be able to pass. This town is called Quila, I think.
The kids were holding water balloons for carnival. Their kids all throw water at you. They didn't do it. Voilà. And I am on some paved road again. So that means I am again in the outskirts of Sucre. There you can already see the city. Oh, there's been some roadblocks here. So I'm passing again a little bit through Sucre. But then I am heading east. So I'm kind of going that way. But the road from here is probably all paved. See, there is Sucre. It's quite a big city, as you can see. Wow, some really nice views on the city from here. Look. Look how big it is. Cool, right? But we're not gonna stay here. Here, another race car. Very mellow dogs around Sucre. I am liking these dogs. They just leave me alone. It's fantastic. My navigation is sending me this way. But that is a tiny bit under construction. So I have to find another way around it. Ooh, it's steep. So now I'm riding through Sucre. Sucre again, which is nice. Oh, that boy just fell off that horse. Or, well, the horse kicked him off. Aye. Domina. I am here. Cute town. This is probably the central square place. No, it's not really square. Market. Buena Vista Hotel. That's where I'm going. Buena Vista Hotel. See if they have a room for me. Hola.
Entra aquí. Sí, esto méteme un poco y ella entra aquí.
I don't know. Look where you are going to stay. You can come inside. ¿Aquí? ¿Aquí nomás? Okay. ¿Cuál es su nombre?
Manuel.
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 Manuel is the owner of the hotel, and he is going to show
Buena
me
Vista.
Buena Vista. He's going to show me where I can have a lunch because he just explained me because of Carnival, most people are drinking now and not eating. But he just called a friend and they can prepare some lunch. So that is excellent news because yeah, after this small breakfast this morning, I am super hungry. Entonces hay fiesta de carnaval,
carnaval
esta noche también.
Toda la tarde y la noche también.
Ah, acá o
Por ahí
en otra parte.
Por todos lados.
Ah,
Esto aquí es un monumento nacional. Grande, grande.
okay.
Esta es la iglesia.
Ah, okay.
Está.
¿Hay un cajero automático?
No hay.
Ah, okay.
No va a encontrar hasta dónde. Santa Cruz va.
Santa Cruz.
Solo allá.
Ah, okay. Okay.
En Serrano tampoco. Por Pucará no hay.
Okay.
Hasta Serrano. ¿Dónde está aquella camioneta? Esa camioneta.
¿Sí?
Hay una mesita y mesas. Hay un restaurante.
De Toyota.
La Toyota es.
Ok.
¿Ya?
Ok.
Ella está sabiendo que usted está de negro.
¿Cómo se llama?
Ruti.
Ruti. Ok, voy a encontrarlo. Muchas gracias.
Chao.
Ciao. You're not gonna believe what I just see. There's a snake here, look. See it? Just here on the sidewalk. It's not big, maybe half a meter though. So there are snakes here. I've reached close enough to the jungle to have snakes crawling on the sidewalk. Anyway, he pointed out this place. Let's see. Hola. Hola. Sí, okay, gracias. Look at this. I have a piece of chicken. This is yuca, which is a type of potato, and then some salad and some rice. So, looking really, really good. So that was my lunch. I'm gonna go back now and work on a video. That's it. So that was it for today. I really hope you liked this video. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up and subscribe down below, and then I'll see you in the next video.